Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a cookie banner for your Shopify store using Consentmo GDPR app. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using Consentmo GDPR Compliance App for this, and I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. And this app is designed to help the merchants comply with some privacy laws such as maybe the GDPR, CCPA, LGBT, and some other protection regulations. And it provides cookie consent banners, privacy request management, and visitor consent tracking to help the stores to collect the customers' data legally. So I recommend you to go through all this. There are some reviews and different key points of this particular app. And also going down, you can see their pricing plans. Thankfully, they provide some free plans. So I recommend you to go with the free plan first. And if everything is okay, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And going down, you can see different reviews of merchants also available here. So just go through this and make sure that everything is fit for your online store. And if this fits and beneficial for your store, then you can just hit on install button. Before that, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. So I have already downloaded it. So you can see that the app section in my dashboard showing the Consentmo GDPR app. I'm just clicking here to expand the inside dashboards of this app. Now you can just click on cookie banner. Now you can just go to the design tab and you can just have the banner layout to be select here, and the position also you can just select color, style, and if you want to add any logo to the banner, you can just have this, and everything you can just customize and create from this. And you can see the review like this. So there shows a preview and you can see the preview livers. And if you want to change the icon style also, you can just have it change the cookie widget design also. So that's how you can just create a cookie banner using Consentmo GDPR for your Shopify store. If this beneficial for you, like if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do comment. Thanks for watching.